These forests were once home to the now extinct thylacine. Today, animal inhabitants are reclusive and include, among others, Tasmanian devils and pademelons. Pademelons are marsupials that belong to the same family as the kangaroos and wallabies. But instead of inhabiting the grasslands, pademelons have adapted to Tasmania's dense rainforests and shrublands. They are easily differentiated by their smaller size and shorter, thicker tails. They have rounded ears, giving them a mouse-like appearance. Their diet is based on leaves, ferns, mosses, and lichens. Pademelons are solitary creatures, though one exception is mothers with dependent young. Joeys spend about 6 months in their mother's pouch. Once leaving, they remain with their mother for around 2 months before becoming independent. Pademelons reach maturity at 18 months and will typically live between 4 and 8 years.